The Nokia X300 Ultra 5G is a powerhouse flagship designed to compete with the top-tier smartphones of 2026. It features a stunning 144Hz QHD Plus Super AMOLED display, offering ultra-smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and an immersive viewing experience for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. At its core, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, paired with a massive 32GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage, ensuring lightning-fast performance and enough space for all apps, media, and files. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled with the 400MP main camera, capable of capturing incredibly detailed and professional-grade photos in all lighting conditions. The Nokia X300 Ultra 5G also houses a gigantic 8,500 mAh battery, promising extended usage without frequent recharging. With these cutting-edge specifications, the X300 Ultra 5G perfectly balances performance, storage, display, and battery life, making it one of the most formidable smartphones in its class.